Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2010 Honda Fury chopper. This factory chopper, 1,300 cc's of VTwin power, just arrived with only 28,000 miles on the odometer. She's fuel injected, liquid cooled, shaft drive. Wait till you hear that awesome slash cut exhaust. Come on by. Make your chopper dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.